Hey, welcome back everybody. This is Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host. As always, it's Paul Motley here. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to smash an affiliate launch, right? So right now there are certain ways that you can get ahead of the game and you can get yourself on those leaderboards, get some prizes, and really make a difference to your bottom line. So if you are afraid of paid ads, then this podcast episode probably isn't for you, but I just wanted to go through a strategy that I've seen work. I've used it myself and I'll continue to use it because it just absolutely smashes it, right? So let me give you an example. Now, let's say there's a launch coming up. Now, normally, if you go to a website called Munchai, you're going to see a whole calendar of launches coming up, right? And this is excellent because it gives you plenty of time to prepare. If you were just going and launching as soon as an affiliate offer comes out, then you're already behind the game, right? So you need to make sure that you get in front of it and really get things going. So I'm going to share with you the technique that all the top affiliates use, but of course they don't tell you this, right? So even in their paid programs and everything else like that, you just don't get to find out this stuff because they want to keep it to themselves, because obviously they are running affiliate offers and everything else like that. So this is one of those times where I'm just going to tell you because I believe in giving as much value as possible because I want you, the listener, to really do well online, okay, right? So, and it doesn't have to be that expensive. I mean, we're not talking like thousands in ad spend here. We're talking like, maybe $5 or $10 a day leading up to a launch, but it's going to make all the difference, right? So let's go through it. And I'm just going to pause a quick second because I do feel I have to say this, but if it's your first time listening, I do these podcasts every day and it's a whole bunch. This is like episode 90 now. And there's a whole bunch of information full of, loads of podcasts exactly like this where I just give away the farm, basically. I tell you the secrets. I tell you what I've learned from the top experts in this affiliate marketing world. But and they're going to kill me for telling you all this, right? But I just want to sort of blow the lid off it, let you guys know what works, what doesn't work. So let's dive into it. So a lot of the times you're going to get certain things that will help you sort of promote the offer. Now, they might give you email swipes, they might give you banners, and all good stuff like this. And we know, and if you've listened to other episodes, having a bridge page, which is like a page you put in front of an offer, so you send people to a bridge page rather than direct to the affiliate offer, right? You've got to make sure you do this. It's a good way to build your list. But you're also capturing leads via your Facebook pixel as well, because then you can then remarket with Facebook ads to the people that have seen the page and also those people which have opted in. And especially those people which didn't opt in, right? It kind of makes sense. So how do we do this and how do we make it incredibly powerful? Well, we are going to use YouTube ads because even when Facebook started doing video ads, they were like incredibly cheap. And I'm not saying they're expensive now, but they have gone up in price. So what you can do is actually put a video onto YouTube, and we use what we call in-stream videos. Now, again, it's not a YouTube ads course. I'm not going to try and sell you anything here. I'm just telling you how to do it. And you can go and find out how to set up and run YouTube ads. You need a Google Ads account, right? So you're going to need AdWords account. So you go ahead and do that. And there's loads of videos on YouTube that's going to teach you how to do this stuff, right? Don't put yourself into debt by trying to buy courses on this stuff. Most of the information is free, freely available. That is enough for what we're trying to do here. But so what we do is we build our bridge page. we mention, and obviously we want to have bonuses for people which do eventually sign up. So people will opt in if they go to the bridge page. That builds your list, and you can remarket and send people emails, right? That is one thing. But the beauty of it is that you can put the videos in front of competitors' videos. Does that make sense? So you can put what we call in-stream. You've all been on YouTube. You've all seen these ads where it pops up, and sometimes it's really annoying and you have to wait like 3 or 4 seconds to actually skip the ad. But there's a portion of people which will watch the video entirely, yeah? And I've just been doing a little test myself. And what I found was that when I was running the ad itself, and it wasn't a professional ad, I was just sat in my car, I was just talking into my phone. I recorded on my phone, so no expensive equipment, nothing like that. It's actually cost me 13 cents for a person to watch that video all the way through. Right? Can you just like hold back a little bit there? I've actually had people watch the entire video, so not just like the first few seconds, the entire video for only 13 cents. Now, what does that mean? You think, oh, great, Paul, yeah, excellent. Now, people have actually clicked through, and the click amount is much higher, but that's not the point. The point is, I have now got people which are watching the whole video, which means when I run another ad, then I can run it just to those people which watched the entire first video. And they're going to be way warmer than all the people which either skip the ad, watched it 10%, 20%, 50%, even 70%. I can run an ad to people which watched the entire thing. So do you not think that is going to be so much more powerful? And it's only cost me 13 cents to get each of those people. That's crazy, right? So the next video that I do will talk to those people which were interested. They're now warm, right? That's a warm audience. So the next video can talk about, it can be a testimonial video about what you're selling, or it can be, you can talk about the bonuses that you're offering if they sign up. And you're only going to send that to those people which watch the entire first video. It just makes sense. That's incredibly powerful. And your call to action will go to your bridge page, which then, of course, you're then building, if you put your Facebook pixel on there, you're now building a Facebook custom audience, which you can then remarket to as well. So you can then remarket to people on Facebook, and it will be incredibly cheap because they've already been through 2 stages, and now they're actually getting something. Oh man, the whole is, it's almost too good to even put into words on how powerful this is. Because if you've got, like, let's say it's an affiliate product which is like $2,000 and you're getting 50%, that's $1,000 commission. Now, if you think like 13 cents for someone to watch the entire first video, and now they're warm. So if I send another video to them, how much do you think it's going to cost? It's probably less, because I'm only sending it to people that were interested in the first place. And now I can actually optimize for people to click the ad. Or if they go to the bridge page, I'm not only collecting the lead, where I can then market them via email, but also I'm building a Facebook custom list that I can remarket to and remind them of the bonuses, or send videos, which is going to be the bonuses and everything like that. And that's how you can scale up. And that is how you can absolutely smash it with affiliate marketing, because you think you only need like 10 sales to make $10,000 on that offer. And I can almost guarantee it's nowhere near going to cost you like $1,000 to get that $1,000 commission. So that is how the experts are doing it. That is how the people out there which absolutely smash the leaderboards, win all these fantastic prizes. That's how they are getting those audiences. And yes, having a decent bridge page. Yes, offering very good bonuses. Yes, having a decent email follow-up all counts, right? It all counts. But when you put all these things into place, that's how you win. And that is how you smash it with an affiliate launch. So anyway, I hope that's been useful for you and it's not been too crazy. But if you piece together the little bits that I've said there, and if you're not sure on how to do it, then of course, just send me a message on Facebook or something. I don't know, whatever. But you can also get loads more free information like that. If you go into the show notes and actually look down towards the bottom, there's going to be like a link there to go to the Ultimate Toolbox, which is my sort of like freebie to you. Go in there. There's a bunch of stuff in there. It's like never seen before footage from top experts which give this sort of content away, and a whole bunch of other stuff as well. So go and get yourself in that. And that's going to be it for today. Interviews coming up, and looking forward to doing those. A whole bunch of stuff. Got some launches coming up as well. Still working on the Dream Car Mentor program. Got about 5 videos to go on that one now. So that is going to be incredible. If you are interested in that, by the way, if you know what the Dream Car is, it's to do with ClickFunnels, which is software as a service, which is effectively like a sales funnel builder software. And if you, as an affiliate, get like 100 accounts, they're going to pay $500 a month towards a car, right? Which is great. I qualified for that last year, which is awesome. And I found a couple of ways that you can massively overload on the value to not only get people to join, but also for them to get a return on investment, which means they are going to stick with it, which means you're going to get commissions long term. And that's the whole point of that. That's what my goal is. So anyway, I'm going to finish off now. I don't want to tell you too much about it because at the moment it's still in beta. We've got about 5 videos to go left to record. And I didn't particularly want to advertise that because it is going to be a $2,000 program when it comes out. At the moment, people can get in for like just under $500, but only if they ask me really, really nicely. And I mean that because I'm not advertising it at that price because it is worth way more. Just by hitting the Dream Car, it's like getting a $60,000 a year rise. So, I don't want to mention it too much. So if you are listening, then you are lucky because I wasn't going to say anything about it, but now I did. So my bad. Anyway, so that's it for tonight. Episode 90 done. Looking forward to getting up to 100. Things are changing. Things are evolving constantly. Everything's moving forward. I want your business to move forward. Let's move forward together. And I'm out.